What's up, guys? This is Halo 3 Hints or Jimmy Dude Rules on Halo on YouTube and on Xbox Live. So I'm going to tell you how to get the skull on the level of the Covenant. Okay, so this is when you get the Hornets. I'm not used to the controls. Go over, get up, go, just jump in and get up. There you go. You got your skull. So yeah, pretty cool. Oh, by the way, if you want to know how to drive the Wraith, yes, the Wraith, right there. Watch my video on how to drive the AA Wraith. Alright, see ya. Also, might as well tell you the terminal. I think it's here. I'm not sure if it is here. Okay. Yeah, right here. I don't know if this actually activates it or not. I don't know. Post a comment and tell me, because I'm not too sure. Okay? Come on. Done. Yeah. Before I turn 50. Hello. Why isn't it doing anything? Maybe I have to press B. Alright, see you guys.